You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this city in Norway? Well, it's actually a small coastal coal mining town. In Norwegian, Longyearbyen. Longyearbyen is how it's pronounced, so in English you can say it as long year. Yeah, just like a long year, really. I guess the years are long over there. Longyearbyen. Yeah, Longyearbyen. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.